Merry Christmas.
Tuna? I don't eat no damn tuna.
What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, I don't know what it was. I woke up and for some reason I wanted tuna salad. And then I started looking at my videos and I said, I've done a macaroni salad, I believe. I've done a chicken salad, but I've never showed the world my tuna salad, which is not a whole lot different than anyone else's. It's just the way I do it. But guys, this is the way I make tuna salad. So all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like it, do me a favor. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some tuna salad. So the supporting cast is pretty simple. It's just tuna salad. Let's not make it fancy. So I use this albacore tuna. I use the white. When I was growing up, I used StarKist. You know, whatever was at home, in oil, in water, whatever it may be. But I like this albacore tuna now. It's flakier. It's a lot more hearty. So I use that in the can. I've got an onion diced up really fine. I don't like big chunks in my tuna salad. And I got some celery diced up super fine. I don't like big chunks in my tuna salad. Typically I use Duke's mayonnaise. I've fallen in love with Duke's. But I got Miracle Whip today. I got some sweet relish. Typically I use sweet relish. You can use dill if you want to. It's totally a personal choice. A little bit of mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. I haven't decided if I'm going to put celery salt in this one or not. I might put a little bit in, but then I add a little bit of Italian seasoning as well. And then I've got 4 eggs that I put in. That's a big debate. A lot of people say they don't like eggs in their tuna salad. I happen to like it. This is the way I make it. So that's all the ingredients. So let's get started. So first things first, I got my tuna out of the can, drain off the oil or water, whatever one you have. And I got it sitting here in a bowl. I chop it up a little bit more. And it will get chopped up the more you work with it, but I chop it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add my onion to the mix and my celery. Just a little bit. I don't like a whole lot of chunky pieces in my tuna, so I just add a little bit of celery. I didn't think I'd use it all, but there we go. Alright. Next thing we're going to put in here is our Miracle Whip. Now I eyeball my Miracle Whip, how much I'm putting in it. So there's no measurement amount. Depends on how wet you want it to be or how dry you want it to be. Sometimes I like mine to be super wet. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Alright, we're going to mix that up in there just a little bit, just to get it incorporated. I may add a little bit more as we go along, and more than likely I probably will. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of our mustard. It doesn't take a lot of mustard, just a tad. About that much. And we're going to go in with our pickle relish, our sweet relish, or dill relish. I tend to like mine a lot sweeter, so I put a little bit more than most people probably do in theirs. We're going to mix this up a little bit. Ah, here it comes. It's coming together. It's coming together. Alright, a little bit of Italian seasoning now. Just a tad. There we go. And I think I'm going to put just a little bit of celery salt, not a whole lot. Just a tad. We're going to go in with just a pinch of salt. Pink Himalayan, you know how I get down. Going to go in a little bit more black pepper than that. There we go. And mix this up. I'm just going to add just a little bit more mayonnaise, just a tad bit more. That should be good. There we go. I may add a little bit more mayonnaise because when I add the eggs, it sometimes draws up the mayonnaise a little bit. So we're gonna add our eggs now. All right. So for my eggs, I'm adding 4 eggs, basically 1 per can. Don't try this at home. I've done this for a long time. I'm basically cutting this in my hand. I basically cut it that way, and then I cut it just like this, just into large cubes. But don't try that at home. Cut it on a cutting board like you're supposed to. I've done this for so many years I can't even count. And I like larger pieces of egg in my tuna salad, so you can cut yours as fine as you want. I like mine to have a little bit of substance. That's a personal choice though. And they'll break up as you work with it. Wash my hands a little bit. Alright, we're going to stir this up a little bit in here. And I can tell just by working with it now, I'm going to add a little bit more pepper and a little bit more mayonnaise. Tad bit more pepper to it. And we're going to add just a little bit more mayonnaise. And I like mine to be a little bit wetter than this. There we go. There we go. Now it's coming to the consistency that I like. If you don't like yours this wet, don't put so much mayonnaise in it. Alright, I'm going to give this a little bit of a taste. See if I'm missing anything that I want to add. Nope. Just where I want it at. Alright, let me plate this up for you. Big Tone's homemade tuna salad. Ooh, I love me some tuna salad. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. So, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Whether you're making a sandwich or you putting it on crackers like I'm gonna do. Doesn't matter. Give this a try. Big Tone's homemade tuna salad. Boy, I love me some tuna salad. This brings back memories of growing up. Hey guys, it's a very simple meal, very simple snack, whatever you want to call it. Great, it goes great with football games, whatever. But hey guys, give this a try. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get a little cracker, a little tuna. And guys, I like my Ritz. So, saltines is good too, but I like my Ritz. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.